My name is Emanual, and this is my restaurant. A restaurant only for pizza. You wanna know why? Because I love pizza. So I decided to open a pizza shop, and this is my first day. So I'm just waiting for the first order of my restaurant, and I'm waiting for customers patiently, really patiently. Okay, finally, a customer. He wants a pepperoni pizza, easy peasy. Everything is great, everything is fabulous, but there is one really small problem here that I haven't thought about that, and I don't know how to make a pizza. But how hard could it be? Like, nothing is impossible, and all the big famous chefs, they all had their first tries, they all had their first days, so I can do that too. It's not supposed to be that hard. Like, what's that button?